Hi guys, this is Sora.
Nika.
And today we're here for more Season 6 Doorables. And this time it's The Nightmare Before Christmas. So here are all the ones you can get. And then you can also get a Santa Jack. That is a low probability. So let's get started. Wait, I think I'm supposed to open it by this part. And we have 8 Doorables.
I like this one.
So let's see. The middle one. Okay, Nika.
This one.
Nika. No, don't open any other doors yet.
Okay.
This is very, wait. I got it.
So what? Now let's open this one.
Well, we have to see what's in here first. She got a Jack. Okay, now let's open the most right one. Well, the middle right. Okay, let's see what she got. I think I seen that she got Oogie Boogie.
Oogie Boogie? Oh,
And I think he's in his green glowing costume too. Now we're gonna open the bottom right, which I already opened. Let's see. She got Mayor. I actually didn't know that Mayor had 2 different faces, like in the Doorable too. So here's the Mayor. Oh, I almost dropped him. And now we're gonna open the most right top, the top right. Why did I say the most right top? That is not the opening code. She got, I see your feetsies. I think this is Lock. Yeah, this is Lock. Oh, and I gotta show him off too. Now I'm gonna open the top middle. Okay. She got Shock, which fell under the table. Wait. She got Barrel. Shock on the back was the witch. So this is either Shock or Barrel. I think they got this one wrong. Oh, she's upside down. Oh. So on this one, it says that Shock is that one, but on the back, it says that Shock is that one. That is very funny. Now we're gonna open the top left. Anyways. Wait, maybe I have to turn it around. Wait, maybe right. Okay, got it. Now she either got shocker barrel. This is so hilarious. And I didn't know previously that he had like little skeleton monster feet. Now we're gonna open the middle left. Get out of here, fly. I think that was Santa. Nope, it was Sally. So she got Sally, and I think this is one of the tallest Doorables, is what it looks like. And now we're gonna open the final one, which is the bottom left.
Amigo.
Okay. We got Zero!
So what?
Zero the puppies!
So what?
Santa Jack didn't come in this one, Nika.
Oh.
Only Jack. Oh, and here is Zero. He has the little pumpkin nose. It's hard to do the details and wait. Never mind, it's just an orange ball. And then he has the little black eyes, and then he has like rabbit ears, is what it looks like. So those were the season 6 Doorables, and goodbye.